friends, I am Jasmine and welcome again to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be creating this look. It's just a simple look and I'm sure you can make it to yourself also, and you can wear it also every day. Yes, because yeah, I love simple look lang. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First is magmo-moisturize muna tayo ng lips. I'm using this Lucas Pau Pau for my lips. I'm going to moisturize my face. I'm using this Dare Clear moisturizer. For the foundation, guys, I'm going to use this Born This Way by Too Faced. I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer for my under eye area. Next is we're going to bake our face as usual. I'm going to use this Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to use this palette by Becca for the bronzer and contour. And then we're going to blend it. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Naked palette called Sherry. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use this tattoo liner by Kat Von D. So guys, I already put eyeliner. Yung kung gagawin is mag-curl ako ng lashes ko. And for the blush on, I'm going to use this palette by Becca Cosmetics. And for the highlight is I'm going to use this shade called Beach Nectar Highlighter. And I'm going to powder my face using this Studio MAC Fix. And for my lips, guys, I'm going to use this lipstick by Girard Cosmetics. It's in the shade Tequila Sunrise. And voila! I'm done, guys. So I'm going to fix my hair for that finale look. And then I'll be back. So guys, here's my final look. I hope you like it. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe sa channel ko if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!